I'm Jess Borland. I work for Microsoft as a premier field engineer in the data and AI domain. The coolest part of my job is getting to go to conferences and events and get in front of sometimes dozens, sometimes hundreds of people and talk about the technology that I love. I get to present on the latest, greatest cutting-edge data tools and technologies from Microsoft, and to see people sitting in the audience getting excited about that, seeing light bulbs go on about how they can solve problems that they have, having them come up afterwards with excitement, with questions, makes my day. We have companies that are big and have been here for a long time. Think the Kimberly-Clarks that we have and Lexus. And these companies are all not only using technology, but they're innovating. We have a really strong foundation of people that have either moved here or have grown up here just like I have, who are very invested in seeing the Fox Valley and the Northeast Wisconsin become a major technological player. In high school, I loved English. I wanted to be a high school English teacher. I loved reading, I loved writing. I thought for sure I could teach high school English 9 months out of the year and then write my novels and my poetry the other 3 months. The interesting thing is now that I am a teacher. It's not high school and it's not English, but I've gotten to do what I really wanted to do back then, which was teach. I was initially going to go and be a computer programmer, but then in school I took a class on structured query language or querying data. Once I started doing that and realizing that businesses have these volumes of data that they are collecting about everything, I chose to work with data, realizing that that is the next generation. Microsoft has over 65,000 employees just in the US alone, and while a lot of the jobs that are building the software, the actual coders for, say, Microsoft Office or the Xbox games are in Washington, there's a whole infrastructure of people around the US, sales, support, engineers like myself. So I get to work from home, fully supported by my regional team. And then I just get to travel to my customers that are also in the Midwest and sometimes out to Microsoft in Washington. I really loved being able to create things. I realized that the world is going digital, and everything from what people see on websites to the applications we use every day at work, everything involves programming in some way or another. It doesn't matter what industry you want to be in, it doesn't matter what you want to be when you grow up. Everything involves computers and programming, and if I could learn those skills, I could go anywhere and do anything I wanted.